Yes,
One
ma'am.
or two? आप लोगों ने नोट कर लिया है?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Then we will start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
page number 3, language and literature chapter. Here you are just having one topic in page number 3. It's too late.
It's never too late.
Just to enhance your word power, so that in suffix you are having late word. Suffix में आपका late word है और उसको आप अलग अलग मीनिंग से कैसे यूज कर सकते हो. Just you have to use that late word in the suffix in different sense. अलग अलग sense में use करना है. First, as it is described in your lesson also, that it is never too late to recapitulate the vocabulary word. Now at this stage, if you will have more and more word power, then that will help you. First of all, let me mute. Okay. It is never too late to recapitulate vocabulary words, because if you are learning more and more words at this stage, then that will help you to enhance your word power also, and that will help you to in your written work also. When you are describing something, you can use those words if you know the appropriate meaning of it. So here the late is used, late, late is used in the suffix, and they having different meaning. So if you have your book, you fill it in that, and if you don't have your book, then you just write it down. Although I have written the answers on the blackboard, but if you want to note it down by hearing, you note it down. First one, page number 3. Fill in air. When you fill in air in any, suppose balloon or any other substance, first of all, balloon is more convenient, then that is known as inflate. Inflate. I-N-F-L-A-T-E. Inflate. If you want to tell something, to tell, then that is relate. R-E-L-A-T-E. Relate. R-E-L-A-T-E. Relate. Then third is move like a pendulum. Pendulum, you all understand, children? Pendulum is moving of the hanging ball, which is hanging in a thread, and if it is moving to and fro. You can see in the wall clock also. Wall clock में pendulum आप आसानी से देख सकते हो. एक central position, mean position से left and right movement को oscillation बोलते हैं. That is known as oscillation. Moving like a pendulum, oscillate. O-S-C-I-L-L-A-T-E. O-S-C-I-L-L-A-T-E. To feel very happy. आप बहुत खुश हो. That is known as flate. Sorry, elate. Elate. Not flate. It is elate. E-L-A-T-E. Elate. Then fifth is to express in a formula. Formulate. F-O-R-M-U-L-A-T-E. Formulate. To express in a formula. Formulate. Next, sixth one. To use to one's own advantage. अपने फायदे के लिए कोई काम करना. Manipulate. M-A-N-I-P-U-L-A-T-E. Manipulate. To use to one's own advantage, manipulate. A dish for serving food. Plate. Plate, plate. To specify or lay down time. Stipulate. Stipulate. To specify or lay down time, stipulate. To arrange in proper sequence. Collate. 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 To keep changing one's mind. Vacillate. 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 To keep changing one's mind, vacillate. Once again, एक बार और देख लीजिए. Fill in air, inflate, inflate, inflate. To tell, relate, relate, relate. Move like a pendulum, oscillate, oscillate, oscillate. To feel very happy, elate. To express in a formula, formulate. To express in a formula, formulate. To use to one's own advantage, manipulate. A dish for serving food, plate. To specify or lay down time, stipulate. To arrange in proper sequence, collate. To keep changing one's mind, vacillate. Vacillate. Next page, page number 4. Now children, there is just a jumbled words given and you have to make proper synonyms of the given word and find out from that jumbled word. Jumble means just a maze of words given and you have to find out the synonyms. Synonyms you all understand? Similar meaning. Antonyms means opposite meaning. Priya Raj, please don't chat over here. Here we are finding out the synonyms which are hidden in this maze. First is develop, grow, grow. Synonym of grow is improve, and promote. Improve and promote. Grow, improve and promote is synonym of develop. Develop, grow, improve and promote. Speak, talk, gossip and express. Speak, talk, gossip and express. These all are similar to speaking. Speaking is also talking, gossiping or expressing. So speak, talk, gossip and express. Think, concentrate, reflect and ponder. Think is concentrate, reflect, ponder. All these words you have to find out from that maze of words. Twinkle, glow, gleam. Twinkle means shining. So glow is also the same word. Glow, gleam, and shine. Twinkle is glow, gleam, and shine. Look, see, observe, notice. Look is see, observe, and notice. Stop is obstruct, hinder, block. Stop is obstruct, hinder, block. Now you all please find it out from the maze of word, all these words. इसको आप find out करिए. All of you, please open your screen. Please try to come to the screen. Please find it out in this maze of words. First, second column, you will find out grow. Grow. In the same way, improve is in the first one, first row. Which one you want to repeat? कौन सा repeat करना चाह रहे हो? Just see. Page number 4. Develop, grow, improve, promote. Develop, grow, improve, promote. Speak, talk, gossip, express. Think, concentrate, reflect, ponder. Twinkle, glow, gleam, shine. Look, see, observe, notice. Look, see, observe, notice. Stop, obstruct, hinder, block. एक बार और देख लो पेज नंबर 3 also. Fill in air, inflate. To tell, relate. Move like a pendulum, oscillate. To feel very happy, to use one's own advantage, to use to one's own advantage, manipulate, a dish for serving food, plate, to specify or lay down time, stipulate, to arrange in proper sequence, collate, to keep changing one's mind, vacillate. Now children, Just, you have been unmuted. So you all just answer the first and second page. First and second page, as I have given you to learn also. Please unmute yourself and answer my questions. Come on. How can you go out in this heat? You must be dash of your dash. Please answer. Yes, anybody who has learnt it. So that it will be a revision for also, and it will be a class, you can say, those who have not written, they can note it down also. Bolo, how can you go out in this heat? You must be out of, yes, Rishi Raj Singh. Rishi Raj, you are putting your hands up. Answer. Rishi Raj, Arpita. Priya Raj. Okay, चलो एक बार रिवाइज करवा देते हैं हम खुद. How can you go out in this heat? You must be out of your mind. Out of your mind. Please hurry. Please hurry up and make up your mind about what you want to do. I am very busy. I have a lot on my mind. Please do not mind as I have to leave the party now. Mind you, all that you say can be used against you in the court. Mind your tongue. Think before you speak. I am in two minds to go to US or to Australia. It is all in the mind, so try to be strong. Mindful of all the work he was doing, his boss gave him a promotion. Mindless of all the harm he would cause, the woodcutter cut down the tree. Which city are you in? Elastic or stretchable? It is elasticity. The quality of being simple, simplicity. Scarce or less in supply, scarcity. Wise or sagacious, sagacity. Ratio of distance and speed, velocity. Vivacious or full of time, vivacity. Quality of being bold or audacious, audacity. Ability to hold or store, capacity. Toxic or poisonous, toxicity. To make it public or open, publicity. Children, I want you to just discuss whatever work we have been given, you have been allotted. You have been allotted that just you have to note down. Note down 5 current affairs, 5 news for related to current affairs, 5 news related to
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, tell what do you want to tell. आपको जो बोलना है बोलिए. You want to ask anything? If you want to ask anything, you ask. Otherwise, I'm just telling you that I told you to note down 5 news related to current affairs, 5 related to games and sports, and 5 related to politics. So has anyone done that work? कोई ये काम किया है? Yes or no? Please respond, children. Bolo.
Ma'am, I done all the maze of words.
All the news of?
Ma'am, all the maze of words. Ma'am, I find all.
Bolo, what have you collected? What news you have collected? Batao.
Ma'am, I completed the maze of words.
Oh, page you have completed. No, I gave you some extra work also apart from this book. Book के अलावा भी मैं कुछ काम दी थी ना आप लोगों को. वो काम किसी ने नहीं किया
Ma'am,
है.
can I give you the news?
Yes, Tushar, बोलो.
Ma'am, I am Siddharth Dhawan.
Okay, Siddharth. ठीक है, बोलो.
Ma'am, only 2 minutes. I have clicked the pics also.
Okay.
Ma'am, news one I have also done. Ma'am, 5 newses.
Okay, one by one, just come forward. एक एक करके आप लोग बोल सकते हो अब.
Yes, ma'am. First news.
Which field you have collected from? कौन सा field से लिए हो?
Yes, ma'am. Voting in 5 North Bengals and South Bengal districts. Ma'am, second is polling for 44 Bengal seats and ma'am, 2 minutes it has cutted.
Try to note it down. All of you, please note it down if you will
Yes,
write in
ma'am.
your writing. then you will be able to read it out
Polling.
properly.
Ma'am, can I speak for next?
First, let him speak. Let's
Ma'am,
let
next is
Siddharth. हाँ बोलो.
ma'am polling for 44 Bengal seats. Ma'am, next is IPL. Dhoni's CSK face Delhi Capitals in Mumbai. Ma'am, second is Uddhav to hold all party meeting on COVID series. Ma'am, second is ES warms political parties on 14th on 14th COVID norms. And second is PM to camping in Siliguri, Krishnanagar today.
Don't chat. Others don't chat.
Ma'am, only this.
Monu Raj.
Ma'am,
Monu Raj.
Thank you,
Stop
ma'am.
chatting. Siddhant, it is a good effort done by you. Others also should
Thank you, ma'am.
participate like this. Good work. सब लोग इसी तरह से
Ma'am,
five
can I
five
Siddhant
at least
Sharma?
5. और कोई कलेक्ट किया है? वर्क अपना कलेक्ट करके लाए हो?
Yes, ma'am, I. Ma'am, I.
Tell your
Siddhant
name.
Sharma. Ma'am, Siddhant.
हाँ बोलो सिद्धांत.
Ma'am, first news is, ma'am, yesterday, Rajasthan Royals win on Delhi Capitals. Ma'am, first news. Ma'am, second news is, ma'am, in Maharashtra, ma'am, lockdown has, ma'am, in Maharashtra, ma'am, Uddhav Thackeray, ma'am, ma'am, due to COVID, his due lockdown. Ma'am, third news is, ma'am, from 14, ma'am, there are 3 lakhs COVID patients. Ma'am, fourth news is, ma'am,
Okay,
ma'am,
Siddhant,
today is
good. बोलो.
Ma'am, today in the IPL there is a match of CSK, ma'am, Chennai Super Kings versus Punjab Kings.
Okay. This is an interesting news for you all, that you all like the cricket. But all of you, children, all of you make effort to collect news, because that will develop a habit of reading the newspaper or watching the, if you are not taking newspaper nowadays due to COVID, then you can watch it from the TV or from your net, and then you can note it down in a copy. एक copy में note करो, ताकि आप जब क्लास में बोला जाएगा, इस वीक का फिर से वही होमवर्क आप लोग का रहेगा, सेम होमवर्क. Apart from learning the book pages को from 1 to 4 you have to learn. इसको learn करने के अलावा आपको, आपका ये वर्क है कि आप 5 न्यूज हर एक फील्ड से कलेक्ट करो. ठीक है? ज्योग्राफिकल भी हो सकता है, पॉलिटिकल भी हो सकता है, गेम्स भी हो सकता है, म्यूजिक भी हो सकता है, एनी फील्ड, बट कलेक्ट 4-5 so that you have a good collection of news in your copy. Clear? Anything more you want to discuss in this class? कुछ और डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हो? But this work should be completed. सबका बुक भरा हुआ रहना चाहिए. अगर बुक नहीं है तो कॉपी में नोट डाउन करके उसको लर्न करना है. In the last class also I send you the picture of this book page. So don't make excuses that we don't have book. So you note it down from that and make a copy till your book comes. जब तक आपका book खरीदा कर आएगा तब तक आप उस तरह से उसको स्टडीज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। एनी मोर डिस्कशन टू बी मेड? कोई और बच्चे लिख के लाए हैं न्यूज क्या? कोई और लिख कर लाया है तो बोलो। Anybody else? So from the whole class, see, so many sections, 4 sections, only 2 of you have participated. But I think that all should have this, develop this habit. From the next class, all should try to note it down. Is it clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Response.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो all of you should do this work. आप लोग घर में बैठे हो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको डल हो जाना है. You have to be active in your work, and if you get a cutting of those news also, you just paste it in your copies. Clear? Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
मैम स्कूल में
Yes.
साइंस की बुक मिल रही है?
That you will have to call in school. School number पर call करके पूछे आप लोग.
Ma'am, may I? I have also noted down current affairs.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I have
Yeah.
also noted down the current affairs.
मैम एबीसी भी
News you have noted it down.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
हाँ, जो नोट किया वो सुना सकता है.
मैम
हाँ, बोलो.
एबीसी भी मैम
Kerala
एबीसी
CA negative for COVID-19. UP sets new migrant quarantine rules for new migrants. Today, MS Dhoni CSK is gonna face with KL Rahul's PBKS, cancelling Tokyo's Olympic and option Japan ruling party. Arvind Kejriwal. Journalists should be treated as frontline workers and should be given COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Kushal, good work. Now, who was asking about ABC? कौन सा ABC के बारे में क्या पूछ रहे थे? क्या ABC? What?
मैम मैम जो टिक द करेक्ट आंसर वो साइंस कॉपी में करेंगे?
No, you can do it in your this single line copy. एक single line copy बनाने बोले हैं ना?
यस मैम.
अगर बुक है तो आप बुक में ही कर लो. You do it in your book. बुक में कर
Okay, ma'am.
लीजिए. अगर
Okay,
बुक
ma'am.
है तो, अगर बुक नहीं है तो सिंगल लाइन कॉपी में नोट डाउन करिए. ओके?
ओके मैम.
और क्वेश्चन
Okay, thank
आंसर D and E that should be done in the practical copy. एक साइंस
Okay,
का
ma'am.
प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी बनाना है और उसी में रखना है सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर. क्लियर? एंड
Okay, ma'am.
ऑब्जेक्टिव इन द बुक. अगर बुक नहीं है
Okay.
तो ऑब्जेक्टिव आप एक सिंगल लाइन कॉपी में नोट कर. ठीक है? ओके?
ओके मैम. यस
और
मैम.
किसी को और न्यूज के बारे में बोलना है? Anybody else who has collected it?
नो मैम.
Okay, then let's end the meeting. But in the next class, you should be alert. आप लोग को alert रहना है. और अगर आपको जीके का क्लास कंटिन्यू करना है, then you should be in touch with the news also. Clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
बाय मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.